Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss how to add blank rows between existing rows in Excel. So let's begin. Select the first row by clicking on its row number. Now press and hold Ctrl key on keyboard and then click on the row number one by one that you want to select. Once you have selected all the rows, right click on one of the selected row number and select Insert from the context menu. Now a blank row will be inserted before each of the selected rows. This method is suitable for small data in your worksheet, but if you are doing with large amount of data, it's better for you to add helper column and then apply the sort feature to insert blank row. I have a range of data. I will enter the text helper column in cell E1. Then enter 1 and 2 manually in cell E2 and E3. And then drag the fill handle down to the last data cell. Now copy the sequence numbers and paste them just below the last cell. Now select the data in the helper column and then click Data. Click on Sort. From the Sort warning dialog box, select Expand the selection option and then click Sort button. From the Sort dialog box, select Helper column, then click OK to close the dialog box. Now the data will be sorted based on the values in the helper column and a blank row is inserted after every other row. Now we delete the helper column. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more informative